you were saying all of these good things about Cartel. All of you posting all of these positive things about Vybz Kartel. And now the man, I praise him God. Now the man, I work and I take care of family. Now the man, I contribute to society in a positive way. Now the man, segregate himself from any form of, when him say him nah go put more, him nah this, him nah that. Him segregate himself from all kind of things that we call badness. Him tell the youth, them say, yo, Lego badness. Why must I be out there saying negative things about him? I don't stay like you. You now see him I do good and you are saying negative things about him. So look in the mirror and tell me which one are the devil.
Okay, boom viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. If minute upon the beat and you can't see upon the screen. Bounty Killer's kind of miserable and lonely right now during the holidays. Because you know nobody now send him no gifts. And you know say I'm not woman. So it's kind of focused on, you know, Vybz Kartel and them fan base. So I say, as you see with this one fish from See If You Are Fans, or say, yo, DJ, Mr. Vegas is calling up your names, you know, and say what Bounty Killer said, gay gas is inhaling rare gas. I want to be seen by me, but me not see them. You see, I say, sit them, my people. Bounty Killer's doing a whole bunch of styling, you know. You know what I mean? And they look like him ready for getting out of warlord mode, you know, because Masicka look like, say, them done fire shot on the Gaza ends, you know. So him say him better protect him little piece that's left, because anytime them ever make me get dark again, yeah, boy, yeah, problem. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Putting in the comment section if Bounty Killer, they win the clash against Mr. Vegas. But like I said, he's throwing a lot of words towards Vybz Kartel way, and him bringing sit them name no, because you know say that's Vybz Kartel wife, so he's trying to get a reaction out of the king. So here's a screenshot where him say, well, chunk up on the evening, chill, because me no see them. Every inner this, I feed them. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. So I'm trying to say Gaza is sinking in the pool, but him I mentioned see them name. And we know when you talk about see them in those type of ways, people think they're a cartel. People that talk. You see what I said, you can see these are some of the screenshots from the comments. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. People, what did Cartel do to Bounty Killer? Because we say Bounty Killer glazed in Cartel comment section when them they get released from prison and all of these things with DJ Khaled and all of this stuff. You see what I say? But nevertheless, the people them say Popcaan like it and want to know say if the people them is going to get upset. You know what I mean? I say I'm not Gaza no more, so Bounty Killer say them can't, you know, bad up Popcaan and all of this stuff, you see me? But me just give it them little update while go on for that to go on. You see me, I say I think Bounty Killer is planning on dropping a diss track towards Vybz Kartel, you know, on his birthday. You know that enemy songs, you see me, I say. Because we know say I'm miserable, you know. But speaking about Popcaan, he is defending reggae artist Jah Bouks because, you know, say Shalom, the same need a Jah Bouks and all of these things for being up another club, right? And I'll give you my point of view on that. But let's take a listen to what he was saying and then we'll proceed. Well, go on, you see me?
Me want to ask Jah Bouks where my do make a nightclub. I know Angola that you can't call no Angola there, so. You don't know say be a fucking down in your throat and Mali and gunshot. I go on there, so. And pussy a sell and get a back it up and girl. You don't know say devil spray gun. What you do this, so? And I say people this is nobody know this, yo. How your ego this, so you have to come down. Hey. No move like no rasta. I'm gonna man.
Okay, people, before I give my take on the situation, you know, Vybz Kartel thanked every artist that was in attendance that, you know, went to celebrate his son's birthday. So that includes Jah Bouks. I'm not sure what happened. Maybe time run out and, you know, the thing said people have forgot, you see it. But Popcaan, they say are F-ray. Shalom, not jam. You know, Jesus, they go on the bar for drink amongst, you know, all type of people. So you see me say, so nothing wrong with Rasta go to them type of event and want sing two chant pan Babylon. You see me I say, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Because I remember say Sizzler, they say you have to pump up, you know what. You feel me? But nevertheless, let's get into some mix-up. Because, you know, RT Boss is giving credit to Vybz Kartel and saying he definitely deserves what he's reaping. You know what I mean? Financially speaking. This is what I say. And you know he talks about the feast after and that. So let's go on here what I must say and we'll proceed with the next.
October, November to Christmas. Do you believe Cartel is still hot or him get warm now? What you believe? The energy is still there or the energy get cold? What you believe? With the king. Energy get cold. But you see, this is what people now realize. The energy will come with the artist, it is expected. Because the man just come and hold it for money and hold it for ties. Nothing way happen wasn't unexpected. It's a business strategy and money. But the question is, how long the hype will last for? You know, to be honest, a lot of projects there. 2026, a whole heap of project there with the man. You have big collab with him and some top rapper. Cardi B, Rihanna come with that album. Whole heap of little secret things under the background for the man. Because he might do him thing. He might do him thing. But you see, let me say this. Him seed when him sow him reap it. Because what you people don't realize, the artist a live off him legacy. Him been there, done that, he must get the time to reap. And so far, me can't say him reap as much as when he sow and him reap enough already. Me can't say so far, the times him spend behind bar can soon no mean nothing to him. Because people there wrote 10 years, 20 years and still not make so much money. And I wrote them there. And him off a road for so much years and come back and catch up with money. So the present time in a fee mind can be deleted. It would have to be a just health and long life. He would have needed. Just health and long life he would have needed for going forward now. And live off of the legacy. Wayne Bill. You see me talk good about the man. Me not talk nothing bad. You see me not talk nothing bad. I can tell you the truth that the man is a very good artist. Him clever. I have interacted with him more than once. I give him music, lyrically music. I give him props when it comes to dancehall and control it. Not because me listen to his music, it's because I witness it for myself. I witness when a time when he might lose it in the cell. And him link Gracie and say, never idea. But more you sing it just like how I tell you. And the song come back to me and Gracie was like, boy, I don't know, give me one song about why you so stubborn and you know take talk. Me have problem. I say what? No, that song, man. He come and tell me say in our line, that man here look slave. But me a queen, me not a slave. Me say, but depends on the line sound. Me say, how it go? So me not understand. So what you mean you not understand if I get it sound? She said, that's a slave part. But I say, understand. So I say, tell me. She said, The man here look slave. I say, I sang that. So, I start laugh. That's the cleverness of Cartel. Me I realize how it work now, you know. So, I start laugh. Me I say, so hold on. You are going to say, And you forgot say, that man here look slave. And then the lyrics come after that. She say, yeah, but me the slave part, that time a problem. I want to change it and say something. You say, the man say, you know, to change the song. Like the man didn't know you go and change it, you know. But anyway, Mama say, alright, I got studio tomorrow. That time when the collab. The whole day I start laugh now and Mama go studio. Mama say, I do my part, you know, I say, go give him. I listen to her part. And she said, she said, the man ya look sleep, you know, turn back way, and you know, she fair part, me I listen first, only. When I listen to her part, me I say, him know what I do, man, him know what I do. You see, a week after, Bombo Clat, that's how come me know say Cartel is a genius. Because all me a laugh and say, that could have what kind of song that's all like a puppy of mange. No, that sounds so. And make I tell you something. You see, when this song a start, no one know that song there? Anybody know that song there? You see, when the song a start, I will me hear the it bad your fuck. And I say, but ratted. How are you so? And I say, it sang bad your fuck. Listen. I saw me know him bad. After Yaso, Mrs. said this man is very. He put things together before he put it out there. He see the crowd before the crowd come to him. Here. Listen, it's all. You just saw, yo, but, yo. Alright. So, I want to go move my know. Hey, two of them are friends, you know, but fuck them to band. So, you know what she do now? Him write the song. Him write everything in the song, but she never liked the part where say, the man you are slave. So, she fixed that blood clot. The man you are love slave. Wood fire in a me whole start blaze. Cartel get it back. Cartel say, boom up me body and done. Boom up me body and done. Teach me now. Hey, you see two of them when they work together. If you get to know the story, you laugh. Because the two of them dominant pan them know the ground different. So when they work together, you get a little charisma, laugh and fun because when Mama say that man here looks slave, she not comfortable, so she drop her next line, wood fire in me wall. You understand? And when Mr. Man get it, him just say she change it, him just go up on the line and say, boom, everybody hand on. And that's how the song go for you. And me sit down and me watch it and me say, you know, music have a lot of story. But if people know the story behind it, so sometimes when you don't like the song, and the people who make the song are telling you how the story go, you don't listen because sometimes it have some intriguing story. But get the joke now. You know, say, you don't know the back way. You know why we don't know that one here that much here? Let me tell you why. You see that one here? And then we go left when the food on it. You know why we don't know that one here that much, but when you hear it? You know why that one here never gonna win? Because it wasn't a theme song. It was not, him never write it. I never theme song, him never write it. And her song, and then me and her was a friend. Me did a foreign. A foreign me didn't hear it. And ask her what going for it. And me hear the story. But this never gonna win.
Baby, I miss you so much.
You know, I want to know something. Why did reggae artist Vybz Kartel, big him up, I'm not talking about nothing about him. Big him up, watch out now. Why Vybz Kartel do so much for dancehall and support dancehall. But he can't bust in two son them. Him two son them are coming like K Queen run Bounty Killer. You see two twin girls them used to run Bounty Killer everywhere they used to hear them say cross, anger. I say, I can't go here. Remember them two girls who used to chop around Bounty Killer where we call them called I Am Ballon K Queen. Now, me I realize that them do nice song, but why the people not accept them? You know, like it's right now where hey, you want to get a joke? Mix up time to the era down here. Yes, come here, my royal family. You remember me that tell you say Cartel can't boss Aishana? You remember me I tell you say when me say Cartel should go to the woman, then me I tell you say Cartel can't boss no more woman again because of me control at the gate when in a prison. So when you run come with Aishana, me I say to you say that's not gonna happen. Me I go really sit down and watch to see if him still have the power to let in woman. You notice I know you see Aishana now 7 or 11. Alright, gate lock. Me just want to know that. No, better than me can't pull that because me think he couldn't pull it, you know. But me overestimate him. Me overestimate him because me say yes, he can pull it, but me realize say the rock at Gibraltar. Rocky can't pull. I tell you, it can't pull. From 2019 till now, the female rems the lock. From 2019, can't pull man. And I know female artists in boss, you know, as in run out with, can't pull. Let me tell you which artist to watch for 2026. Vanessa Bling. It's a Vanessa Bling year. A comeback of Vanessa Bling. She'll come back, come take over. She got hit chart, she got hit number. She got Rock City. 2026. Vanessa Bling is back. Well sturdy. You know, say all our people them 2020 we mix up in the argument with me and the lady. I tell you already, you know. Look on Dexter that. Can't come back. Look on the Benfoot one. The Benfoot one. Where look at Benfoot one my name? DeMarco. Can't come back. All of them people will pick up spiritual war and drop word and this. Can't come back. How old about them last year? I make a joke. Look at my stylogy. I don't know what going to dancehall for blood type. Come like somebody who really will be a dancehall for true. Because I not like dancehall just coming like everything just depend on a little stop. Wearing the people who did a long time is concerned. Lupa Pampote. Lupa Macadamia. Look on the Angel. All of them need a closed store. Who don't need a closed store need a restaurant? Because waste them always for their money in the music. Because they want for themselves look good and no music now do nothing for them. Hey, me tell you, see, Macadamia have glad for TikTok, you know. Because right now, TikTok and Macadamia new career. Bigger up, me love her same way. She a big artist, you know, more powers we can diss Maca. But at the same time, Maca don't need to spend a lot more in the music. Maca need to go sell food, product, business, grocery store. Make the government give them one business that should make some artists help her stack out some business. She need to be what Mr. True. Because one thing with the Jamaican people, you know, when them decide they not look on you, they not look on you, you know, the majority count. Let me ask you a question. This since
Yeah, put in the comment section what you think about that. And you don't know the things that people happy holidays. It's a man say, you know, insurance. Let me know say what me I can say. You see me? I said, just be safe out there and enjoy yourself. You see me? Bless.